Morning. We are on our way towards the Levante Beach, as supposedly today the sun is gonna come out again. It will be 19 degrees, so maybe there are some people already. So our walk from today will start at the Melia Hotel. And it's quite busy with cars out here. On the other side you can see the other Red Lion. More family friendly one. Let's check out on the other side how many people are having breakfast on the sun terrace without the sun. It's a quiet one out here. But of course the main thing, the sun isn't here. At least the shops are open already. There we got Union Jack. A few people in there. Any offers? Yeah. Pint for €2. Next door the Big Ben. And right on the opposite side of the Union Jack, we've got Benidorm's answer to Greg's. While I have never been there, it seems to be quite good as it's always full over there. But a place I do have been to is Rios, the competitor of Mariano's, and much better in my opinion. So if Mariano's ever too crowded, definitely go in and try it out. And over here on the former side of the My Chips here in Rincón, there's a new bar coming. And there we are, the Red Door. One of the latest additions to Benidorm. Very popular one, and yes, because it's still very early, they're open but no one in yet, but it won't take long. Further on a small supermarket, and be aware if you're here, due to the Easter week, the Semana Santa, some supermarkets might be closed in the upcoming days, so if you want some groceries, be on time and get them now while they're open. Let's take a quick tour to the indoor market. It is busy in here. And we are out again. Yeah, it was quite busy in there and quite warm as well. It's out here with just 19 degrees and no sun out. It does feel a little bit cold. Let's take a quick look at Mariano's and Silver Dollar. Maybe loads of people are already up there. At least the street is quite busy in the distance. And Mariano's. Oh, enough space left. Like I said, Easter week is busy, but mainly due to lots of Spanish coming here in Benidorm. And they're not coming in this area in the morning, they're usually in their old town, so probably that place will explode. But we might check it out later today. Silver Dollar. Some folks are up here already. But we are gonna return and head towards the beach. So let's get back towards the beach. And there's a lot of people heading towards the beach, I think. Might be in for a surprise for the crowd. And we got some more shops over here. Mainly clothing and other products. Oh god, the rooms are too low here. I keep hitting my head. And we've got Grand National. Quite some people in there. And we're nearly there, near the beach. And it is getting quite windy out here today. Curious what flag is up then. Okay, so we got a red flag for today. And the sea is quite rough, you can see in the distance over there. While we've got a red flag, the cable skiing and the water sport thingies are all open and available. And the high winds just add that little bit more of excitement, I think. And while it is quite busy out here with loads of people waiting for the sun to show up, over here on the left some people have got a better alternative. One of the bars, enjoying their drink or breakfast in the morning over here. And that is much better because the temperature out here, while it is 19 degrees, the wind is quite cold, so it more feels like 15 or so. And for Spain Benidorm, well, that's cold. And of course, with having these winds out straight from the ocean, it means loads of seaweed and debris are gonna wash the shore. But they'll clean it up probably for tomorrow already, when the sun really comes out. Thursday is supposed to get 23 degrees out here. Time to take a short walk on the Levante Beach boulevard over there and check out the crowds. And while they nicely lined up all the beach chairs for hopefully a sunny day, currently most people are giving the preference towards one of the bars. And also over here at Artigas, very busy out there. Despite they did a huge price increase of more than 50% on all their items. Still the crowds keep coming. A nice lady out there trying to invite me in, but I already had some breakfast. Before shooting this video, went into the Lidl to get a croissant and something to drink as well. So maybe this afternoon get a drink somewhere. At least over here there's still enough space left at the Tartan bar, as they are open but no one in yet. Over here we got some more bars. Omar's barbershop over there, 14 euros for a haircut. And he speaks English as well, so recommend going there if you need a place to go to. And this brings us towards the Flash Hotel and a small police station up front here. And over here we can see not that many people are out here. Even the Flash is quite empty. So we will check those places out later today, all the other bars around the strip and the beach as well. We hope the sun will show itself. I hope you liked this video. Please do give a like, as it greatly promotes our videos. And don't forget to subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet to see more videos from Benidorm. Thank you all for watching and I hope to see you later.